Ka bynta ka baar na ka bynta ka Jinghikai ba khal asngi halor ka apda mitra layo ban Sdang no banta ka sngi ka apopra terek ujelio hanongston. Laple ya kate ka Jinghikai na ka bynta ki volunteer da uba HK thaba additional deputy commissioner jong ka West Khasi Hills district lemba ka Jingyalang ka balingkot hapo ka conference hall jong ka Nongston college Nongston. Ha kate ka sngi la ji ru hado live sangut ki khana puli NSS but NCC jong ka Nongston college kum ki volunteer ki ban sasha ai Jinghikai. Uba thaba haba ajikran kate ka Jingyalang ula batai halor ka apda mitra scheme jong ka National Disaster Management Authority kabala pentrekam hagi district kaban ai Jinghikai yak shis pangut ki volunteers ban play im ban ai Jinghirap ban yatrelang larawan Lyngshop Khubor Mariang.
Training starting from today will make an impact upon all the students, and with this training I hope you will contribute to the society by being an aware and productive citizens of the society. We should provide training to 100 volunteers from each district. So we have selected other volunteers from the villages. We have in last month we have conducted training at Kynjatshai where we have selected 35 volunteers. And now we are moving to the educational institution and we have selected 35 students from the NCC and the NSS to attend this training program. The resource person will be coming on a day-to-day basis to impart new trainings. We have different kind of natural disaster. We have earthquake, we have landslide, we have biological, radiological calamity. We have different kind. So we need specific training for different kind of disasters.